Hey guys, I actually picked these up for a project for a very large door. They're supposed to be 90-degree soft hinges for cabinets, kitchen cabinets, bathroom, folding, hardware placement, blah blah blah. It's Chibery. Inside there. Anyway, you get 4 of them for 16 bucks, which is a pretty good deal, I think anyway. It comes with mounting hardware as well. Oh. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I can bend them without putting them on. Like, this is just an overview because I have to install them first, but there they go. Oh yeah, they used the airsoft start. There's a little plunger in there with oil. Cool. They might actually work. Now I can't get it back. Yeah, that's not gonna go back. And there's your screws. Half decent size if you need them. But I will post a follow-up on them once I get them installed. I won't be doing that today, but they definitely are a soft start. As you saw there, it closed softly. Yeah, cool. Oh well, let's install them and I'll let you know what they're like. So that's basically what this project is going to look like. It's a big door on a cabinet. So what we're going to do, there's not one there, hopefully you don't need 3. And I think when it opens quickly, but when it closes softly. But we'll mount these. It's not exactly 100% yet, like I still gotta clean this out here, but we'll at least be able to somewhat see how they bend. It's not gonna set flush, that's for sure. Lots more to do. I guess it would. That root, that there. But let's see. I'm not going to put the rest of them in yet. Let's see if it will actually close or open. Either work or it'll fall apart. Oh, look at that. Oh, it'll work. I gotta fix this here. Take that piece out before it destroys my projects. Yeah, it'll work. I gotta clean this out. That will work. Cool. Take it easy. Well, I'd say they work good for this project. Just eyeballing it. I got no gap on the side, on any sides. Just eyeballing the, just putting them in. Nice and clean. You can feel the slow return with the that little piston in there. When you go to bring it back, it slows down. As you can see, it does work. But I definitely recommend them. They upgrade any old cabinet. They do have a little bit of play in the linkage, you can see. But I don't seem to affect your when you line things up. It works pretty good. So I definitely recommend them. Anyway, take it easy.